Good morning. We're finally starting to get some rain. It's been a warm November. We still work in the rain. It's really not that bad right now, so I'm going to try to get out there and get it done, get the jobs done before it starts raining too hard. But enjoy your day. Thank you.